What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Shoe Care Academy, powered by Reshoevn8r. I'm Vic Almighty, and today we're going to be cleaning up some Air Maxes. Believe it or not, these are actually concept Air Max 1s. They're just covered in grime, mud, and all types of stuff. Somebody here at Reshoevn8r doesn't want me to succeed because they went in on dirtying these up. Underneath all this mud, I know for a fact there's a bunch of stains and markings from everyday wear. But first, I gotta worry about all the surface mud that's been sitting on the shoe for several days before I can get to that. This should be a fun and challenging project. There are a lot of materials to work with, so let's get to it. Before we get started with this cleaning, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We drop weekly content on Mondays and Thursdays. Also, click on the link in the description to join our email list for VIP discounts and more content. For this cleaning, we are going to be using our Reshoevn8r Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. Let's get started by setting up. Good to go. Our Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit contains all three brushes needed for this cleaning: soft, medium, and stiff. We also have a shoe tree to minimize the creasing on the toe box, a microfiber towel, a laundry bag to put the shoe in the washing machine to fully complete the cleaning process, and of course, our special solution. Without it, this cleaning wouldn't be possible. Now for before and after purposes, we'll put the right shoe to the side and just focus on the left one. Let's take out the laces and insole to give those a thorough cleaning separately. Actually, we should go outside first and bang off as much of this mud as we can. Right now, it's kind of getting in the way. That was pretty aggressive. We did get the majority of that mud off. Now we're gonna finish off the job with the medium bristle brush to finish brushing it off. Shoe looks 10 times better already. You can actually tell it's a concept Air Max 1. Now let's go to mini rolls and use our air compressor and wash this dirty brush. Already a night and day difference, but wait, there's more. Real quick, while we're at it, let's clean off this mat so we don't place more dirt on the shoe. Let's take out the laces and insert our shoe tree. All prepped, ready to go. We scrubbed off all the surface mud, used the compressor to blow off the remaining dust. We took out the laces and insole. We insert our shoe tree. We're ready to go. Now that we got all the mud completely off the shoe, we know exactly what we're working with. Overall, the shoe isn't totally bad. The midsole and sole have average grime and dirt. That'll clean up nicely. My biggest focus is gonna be two different parts. The first one being is this tongue. There's a lot of marks on it. We're gonna have to do a lot of scrubbing. And same thing with this denim toe box and side panel. We're gonna have to do a lot of scrubbing using the medium bristle brush. First, let's squirt some squirts of our solution inside our bowl of water. 2 squirts is all you need. Now the first brush we're going to be using is a soft bristle brush. We're going to go in a circular motion all around the sneaker inside and out to start breaking down all the grime and dirt. The reason why I use a soft bristle brush in the beginning of all my cleanings is because it's the brush that creates the most suds, and because this brush is the safest to use on the majority of materials. On the sneaker specifically, we have horsehair material, we have canvas, we have denim, we have corduroy. The soft bristle brush or medium bristle brush are the only brushes you want to use on this shoe. So far so good. We got a lot of those stains out of the denim. It's still a little rough. I can still see a lot of grime. So we're gonna be using the medium bristle brush to give the whole upper a good scrub. Following the soft bristle brush, the medium bristle brush also does a great job of taking care of those deep stains on the shoe without damaging the materials. It's also great for taking care of plastic, rubber, and midsoles. The one thing I never use the medium bristle brush for is the tongue tags. The majority of tongue tags are pretty delicate with small embroidered details. If you scrub too hard, it'll fray it. All done with the medium bristle brush. This shoe looks so good. I did a lot of scrubbing on the denim specifically and the tongue, and it made a big difference. That denim is looking a lot better. It's back to its blue tone. Originally, it was pretty brown, and same thing with this tongue. It was covered in marks, black marks specifically, throughout the entire tongue. If you move these suds, you can definitely tell it's back to brown. Now let's finish off this cleaning by using the Stiff Bristle Brush to clean up these outsoles. Check out the difference on this outsole. It's looking great. Same thing with the rest of the shoe. We're basically done. The washing machine is gonna take care of the rest, but real quick, we still gotta take care of the insole and the lace. The insole isn't too bad, however the lace is super cooked. We're gonna let this sit inside the water and solution for several hours. I'll put this in the washing machine separately to get it as clean as possible. For the insole, we're gonna be using the medium bristle brush to give it a good scrub. These laces do look a little bit better, but they are pretty dingy. My trick to getting these back to as white as possible, I usually get a fresh bowl of water, add some more solution and detergent, let the laces sit in there for several hours, even overnight. I even put them in the indoor setup so the UV rays could do its job. After that, I pull them out, put them in the washing machine to fully rinse out all the grime, and after that, I usually have some pretty white laces. Right now, they're pretty brown. Let's start the process. To the washing machine. If you're new to the channel, we always use the washing machine for certain cleans to maximize the clean with our detergent pods. You want to use cold water with a regular cycle. Got the shoe out of the washing machine, we let it dry overnight. When it comes to drying a shoe, anytime you put it inside the washing machine or just give it a general clean, I always put it underneath the sun or next to a fan. As far as the shoe goes, we'll start with the sole. Overall, I say we got it about 95% clean, everything washed away nicely. Inside the crevices, there is still some grime, but I'm not gonna go too crazy on the shoe. The air unit's nice and shiny. I'm glad underneath all that grime and mud, there was no paint chipping on the sneaker. And for the uppers, the hardest part about this whole cleaning turned out great. The shoe contains a lot of canvas, denim, suede, and embroidered materials, and for the most part, everything washed away nicely. The denim was one of the materials that I was worried about the most, but it washed away nicely just like a regular pair of jeans. The suede on the tongue by far was the scariest material. There's a couple of things that could have gone wrong. For example, it could have bled like crazy and got all over the denim or the Nike tongue tag. Luckily for us, that did not happen. However, it is a little bit faded. In just a moment, we'll spray some mink oil to bring back the color. Considering how beat and destroyed this shoe was, I'd say we brought it back to life. As far as the laces go, I did clean it once again with clean water and solution. Then after that, I let them sit in the indoor setup overnight. I took them out this morning, put them in the washing machine, let them dry, and we got some clean results. They're fully back to white. Before we lace it up, we gotta take care of the tongue. We're gonna be spraying some mink oil using our horsehair brush as well. We'll spray a nice even coat all around, let it sit for a bit. Then with the horsehair brush, we'll brush it in, we'll reapply, brush it in, and we should get it back to its original state. For best results, apply thin even coats throughout the entire material, let it sit for a little bit, then brush it in. When it comes to leather, it's great for reconditioning it and keeping it healthy for years to come. When it comes to suede, it's great for bringing back the color after it's been washed away after the cleaning. Just by applying mink oil onto the tongue, the suede looks a million times better. Let's go ahead and insert the insole and lace it up. Alright guys, that's going to bring us to an end on this Concept Air Max 1 cleaning. The great news is that the shoe is 100% safe to clean up in the washing machine. I'd almost recommend every single time to put it in the washing machine. This shoe contains heavy materials such as denim and canvas. The best way to wash out the grime and dirt is by putting them in the washing machine using our signature shoe cleaning kit. Now in case you guys run into the issue where the suede gets faded, you could just use our mink oil to bring back the color. Before we wrap it up here, I want to show you guys our brand new Rejuvenator Premium Shoe Care Kit that's exclusive to Costco only. It contains our water and stain repellent, all 3 brushes, microfiber towel, deodorizer, and of course our 8-ounce bottle of solution. This is a $70 value for only $29.99 exclusively at Costco. This will make a great gift for the holiday season. Check out our website for Costco locations near you. Speaking about the holidays, I am the nicest guy on the channel, so I am going to give away one of these for free. All you gotta do is comment down below, Santa Almighty, and I'll pick a lucky winner to win one of these new premium shoe care kits. I gotta get back to work on the other set on my custom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vic Almighty. I'll catch you guys next Monday. See ya.